Stop by and take a look at the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension. Come see the car for yourself.